Welcome to my channel and welcome to my first ever video. This is so exciting. I am so happy to have you here with me. My name's Talia and I'm interested in showing you how to get high-end, good quality makeup looks with good quality, affordable drugstore products, and I definitely think that that is achievable. I've been doing it for years. It sounds like something that you would be interested in, then I'd love it if you could subscribe and leave a like down below if you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a single upload, because I'll be here for you every single week. Today's look is going to be this matte black smoky eye, very dramatic, very classic but bold. Definitely something that you'd want to wear for a night out or a special occasion, or even just to do the food shopping, because why not? So using this palette today, that's how I achieved this look. It's the Revolution Pro Regeneration Gold Mine palette, and it's actually the first time using this palette, and I was so impressed with how pigmented it was. And I think that this is, while I'm making this video, it's actually on sale at the minute from Revolution themselves. I think it was something like £4 something, so absolute bargain. So if you want to see how I got this look, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done my brows and primed off camera, and the first shade we're going to go in with is Splendid, this light brown shade, and we're going to blend this into the crease with a fluffy brush, and this is going to be our transition shade. Okay, next we're going to go in with Gorgeous, I think it's called. This is a lovely warm brown shade, so we're going to use that to just deepen the crease, using the same kind of circular motions as we did for the first shade, and just really darken that crease. Now it's time to add some black. I'm using black gel liner from Revolution. This will help to really make our black shadow pop. You can also use a jumbo eye pencil for this step if you prefer. I'm just applying this all over the lid with a flat brush. You guys, I'm sorry for how jittery some of these clips are. I used a new software to film it and it's just corrupting my footage. It's so annoying. Now just taking a clean brush, we're going to buff out that liner to really smoke it out. You don't need to go too high with this part, because we're going to add some black shadow in a sec. Now using the shade Private Jet, we're going to pat that all over the lid where we applied liner, just using a flat packing brush. Then taking more of that Private Jet shade, just on a small blending brush, we're going to apply it just above the liner to really smoke it out. Then using our flat brush, we're just going to go back in and really intensify that black. And then back in with our blending brush just to make sure there are no harsh lines. Going back in with that warm brown gorgeous shade, we're just going to smooth out and make sure that it's all blended. And then adding that first shade Splendid to diffuse that warm brown. After all that blending, we might lose some intensity in the black, so we're just adding some more of that private jet shade. And then just tightlining the eye with a pencil. And cleaning up any fallout. Did lashes and did my face off camera, and now it's time for the lower lash line. First we're going to use a pencil to tightline, and using our black shade we're going to run this right under our lower lash line. And next, using the gorgeous shade, we're going to place that just below the black, followed by Splendid to blend it all out. Now I'm just going to brush off my bake, and then it's time to highlight the inner corners of the eyes. I couldn't find a shade that I like to highlight with this palette, but I did just dip into my Revolution Ice palette and just found this really pretty white shimmer shade. But any silver or white shade that you have will look really nice with this look. And then just adding some highlight to my cheek, nose and Cupid's bow. Then add some mascara to your lower lash line and you are all done. And this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you like this look. If you wanted to follow along with this tutorial, then please tag me on Instagram, Twitter. I'll have it all linked down below for you to follow, and I would really love to see your looks. And also comment down below if there's any other future looks that you'd like to see on a drugstore affordable basis, and I will get that done for you. But yeah, I have really enjoyed filming my first video for you guys, and I really hope that you've enjoyed it. Please give me a subscribe if you did. That would be lovely. So yeah, I will see you on the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.